In this project, you will be designing and 3D printing a personalised typography model for a specific person or brand. This might be an eye-catching backdrop model for a YouTuber, a sign for a local business, or even something as simple as a keychain for a friend. The process begins with an overview of how font types and colour can convey different emotions, brand identities, and more. You'll then be guided by a 3D CAD tutorial to generate as many different 3D typography forms as possible, using various creative techniques. In the main part of the project, you'll decide on who your typography model will be for, before assembling a palette of options for colour, typography, and shape. By experimenting with combinations from your palette, you'll generate multiple design options, which can be analysed in terms of design potential and feasibility. And finally, a chosen combination will be brought to life with 3D printing technology and displayed to the world.